In the pre-dawn hours, the city was placed under an emergency winter storm watch. But this was no ordinary low-pressure system. Satellite imagery revealed an impossible spiral, a living signature carving its way through the atmosphere. The precipitation itself was anomalous. Snowflakes that weren't snowflakes, acting with a will of their own. Every instrument screamed in confusion. The data pointed to a single, massive, moving cold source from below. It wasn't a storm, it was an organism, a living compressor, pushing winter from the heart of the city.